Hello, my name is Jan Mattes. I'm Chief Product Owner of SAP Signavio Process Analysis and Mining, and I will now show you a new capability of our improvement opportunities in Process Insights. So what you might have known is basically that we have personal start pages where you can configure widgets on your start page. Let's say here for Procure to Pay, and you have to basically find the performance indicators, the process flow, and also the correction recommendations, which are most helpful for you. But we recognize that there is so much of knowledge that we might be sharing with you. And that's why we now introduce something new, which is called improvement opportunities. And that basically helps you to configure that style pages for you even more because of the knowledge of hundreds and thousands of SAP consultants has been aggregated here in such improvement opportunity dashboards. So you find here 50 new dashboards, and they are categorized by value drivers like days payable outstanding, days sales outstanding, days in inventory, and of course more. And there will be more to come in the future. Let me now filter for my dashboards for reducing the time to close the books. Uh, that's a quarterly and yearly exercise you have to do. And just let's drill down now into what purchasing commitments, the open items that I need to close before I can close my books, basically. I see the number here is pretty flat. I get here a very nice and detailed explanation why I should be looking at them. And of course, I can then also drill down into the details or go into the correction recommendations and see how I can prevent that the number of items is growing or how I could reduce that. Let's go back into the improvement opportunities and find more basically. Another example is here in the general ledger. Here also we have a nice chart and multiple nice charts which tell me, oh, the number of open items in the general ledger perspectives are looking great basically. They are flattish, they are not improving, but basically at least they are not increasing. And now let's go into an area where we might have more issues. Let's say go into the overhead controlling. And here I see basically a situation that a number is going up. And here I can go into the analysis, find the trend line depicted here as well, and also understand how the detailed situation is. So I might be looking for plant, I might be looking for CO area, and I can then also look into correction recommendations, which might help me in easing the situation in the future. So I think you get the point. Knowledge out of the box is what we deliver with the improvement opportunities. And what you, of course, can do, and that's what I did now, I created my own personal style page for closing books. With that, I simply put all the widgets together that I have for the various perspectives. And here I see at a glance if the numbers are going up or even down, as I can do it here. And from there, drill into the details to the correction recommendations and of course also the improvement opportunities. I hope you liked what you have seen and stay tuned for more videos.